are you gonna do? Oh, I can do jumping jacks. Alright, I'm gonna let you down, right?
No.
Ready?
Yeah. Like, go with the other one.
Trying to catch you so you didn't hit the ground all at once.
I wouldn't do that again.
Oh, my neck hurts.
I relinquish the camera to you.
I got a pick good.
Nice going.
Nice, Noah. And I got it on film.
I got a splinter.
Damn it, Noah, come on.
That hurt. This is all because of Noah.
Thank you, the table.
No, when you're letting me down, you like shoulder me in the boob. It hurts.
Okay.
You just broke it.
Yeah.
Bent the legs and...
Oh, well. Put this side down and that side up. Just don't shit.
Not supposed to do that.
Damn it!
We're not really done.
Hold on. Bring this back.
Jackie, move. Jackie.